put your meat in there,
Okay.
you can get it in tight and then push like so. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Now to start it, little button here,
Yeah.
you vertical.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Now you
It
have
doesn't
a
work that well.
screwdriver. Yeah. So right
Okay.
now, if you try to turn it on,
Oh, it doesn't work.
so once you turn that, now push the button.
Do I need to change
Once
the
in a
blade?
while,
Yeah.
after you've cut, belong to my mom, not me, so I don't actually use the
I
meat.
just remove the blade and wash it thoroughly.
I think so. I think
Yeah.
when you turn that, is this button here? If you turn that, that will change the.
Oh,
So
okay.
you can cut depending on how thin or thick you
Looks
want.
good. Okay, so it looks like easy to use.
Quite easy.
Awesome. Thank you.